Welcome. If you're tired of seeing those little red numbers on your Gmail app icon constantly reminding you about unread emails, you're not alone. Those app icon badges can be helpful, but sometimes they get overwhelming and clutter your screen. Today, I'm going to show you an easy, updated way to turn off app icon badges for Gmail mail notifications on your phone. First, start by opening your phone's Settings. This is where you'll find all the options for customizing how your apps behave. Once you are in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every app installed on your device. Next, look through the list and find Gmail. Tap on it to open the app-specific settings. Here, you'll see many options related to Gmail's behavior like storage, permissions, and of course, notifications. Tap on Notifications to move forward. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll notice a section called Notification Categories. Notifications are broken down into different categories here, giving you more control over what kind of alerts you want to see. Tap on Mail, which handles all the standard email notifications. Now, you should be able to see a toggle labeled App Icon Badges. This toggle controls whether or not you see those small notification numbers on the Gmail app icon. Simply switch this toggle off to deactivate the badges. Once switched off, you won't see those red dots or numbers anymore, even though your mail notifications will still come through as usual. This way, your home screen will look cleaner and less cluttered, but you won't miss any important emails. So, to recap, go to Settings, tap Apps, select Gmail, then Notifications. Choose Notification Categories, tap Mail, and toggle App Icon Badges off. It's a quick and simple process, but it makes a big difference if you prefer a more minimalist look on your phone. Thanks for watching.